रोज बोले जाने वाले वाक्य। डेली यूज सेंटेंसेस। डेली यूज सेंटेंसेस। दिनेश बहुत अच्छा नृत्य करता है। दिनेश डांसेस वेरी वेल। दिनेश डांसेस वेरी वेल। हमारे शिक्षक ने हमें एक नया नृत्य सिखाया। Our teacher taught us a new dance. Our teacher taught us a new dance. वो एक नर्तक है। He is a dancer. He is a dancer. तुम्हारी हिम्मत कैसे हुई उस बूढ़े आदमी पर चिल्लाने की? How dare you shout at the old man? How dare you shout at the old man? बाहर अंधेरा है। It is dark outside. It is dark outside. हम अंधेरे में पढ़ नहीं सकते। We cannot read in the dark. We cannot read in the dark. उसकी स्कर्ट गहरे नीले रंग की थी। Her skirt was dark blue. Her skirt was dark blue. जब लाइटें चली गईं तो हमें अंधेरे में बैठना पड़ा। We had to sit in darkness when the lights went off. We had to sit in darkness when the lights went off. दिन और तारीख ब्लैकबोर्ड पर लिखी गई है। The day and the date is written on the blackboard. The day and the date is written on the blackboard. अमीर आदमी की 3 बेटियां थीं। The rich man had 3 daughters. The rich man had 3 daughters. भोर होते ही पक्षी चहचहाना शुरू कर देते हैं। Birds begin to chirp at dawn. Birds begin to chirp at dawn. सप्ताह में 7 दिन होते हैं। There are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. दिन के बाद रात आती है और रात के बाद दिन आता है। Night follows day and day follows night. Night follows day and day follows night. उन्होंने मृत पक्षी को गुलाब की झाड़ी के पास दफना दिया। They buried the dead bird near a rose bush. They buried the dead bird near a rose bush. वह एक कान से बहरा है। He is deaf in one ear. He is deaf in one ear. उनकी बेटी उन्हें बहुत प्रिय थी। His daughter was very dear to him. His daughter was very dear to him. एक प्यारा सा पौधा बीज में सो रहा था। A dear little plant was sleeping in the seed. A dear little plant was sleeping in the seed. खरगोश और कछुए ने दौड़ लगाने का निर्णय लिया। The hare and the tortoise decided to have a race. The hare and the tortoise decided to have a race. उन्होंने कार को फूलों से सजाया। They decorated the car with flowers. They decorated the car with flowers. समुद्र बहुत गहरा है। The sea is very deep. The sea is very deep. मैंने एक हिरण देखा। I saw a deer. I saw a deer. हिरण बहुत तेज दौड़ते हैं। Deer run very fast. Deer run very fast. सैनिक दुश्मनों से हमारे देश की रक्षा करते हैं। Soldiers defined our country against enemies. Soldiers defined our country against enemies. दंत चिकित्सक ने मुझे दांत दर्द के लिए दवा दी। The dentist gave me medicine for my toothache. The dentist gave me medicine for my toothache. बक्सों को डिपो में रख दो। Put the boxes in the depot. Put the boxes in the depot. रेगिस्तान में बहुत कम पौधे उगते हैं। Few plants grow in a desert. Few plants grow in a desert. मैंने हर कार्ड पर अलग डिजाइन बनाया है। I have made a different design on every card. अपनी नोटबुक मेज पर रखें। Put your notebook on the desk. Put your notebook on the desk. हार में 21 हीरे थे। There were 21 diamonds in the necklace. There were 21 diamonds in the necklace. यदि आप पौधे को पानी नहीं देंगे तो वह मर जाएगा। If you do not water the plant, it will die. If you do not water the plant, it will die. यह ट्रक पेट्रोल से नहीं, डीजल से चलता है। This truck runs on diesel, not petrol. This truck runs on diesel, not petrol. दोनों चित्रों में अंतर खोजें। Spot the differences in the two pictures. Spot the differences in the two pictures. उस शब्द को खोजें जो भिन्न ध्वनि से शुरू होता है। Spot the word that begins with a different sound. Spot the word that begins with a different sound. मैं आपसे एक कठिन प्रश्न पूछने जा रहा हूँ। I am going to ask you a difficult question. I am going to ask you a difficult question. उन्होंने बगीचे में एक बड़ा गड्ढा खोदा। They dug a big hole in the garden. They dug a big hole in the garden. रात के भोजन तैयार है। Dinner is ready. Dinner is ready. शरारती कुत्ता फिर से गंदा हो गया है। The naughty dog has got dirty again. The naughty dog has got dirty again. निम्नलिखित बातों पर हिंदी में चर्चा करें। Discuss the following things in Hindi. Discuss the following things in Hindi. बीमारियों को दूर रखने के लिए अपने गांव को साफ रखें। Keep your village clean to keep diseases away. Keep your village clean to keep diseases away. राजा ने सोने की थाली में खाना खाया। The king ate in a golden dish. The king ate in a golden dish. माँ मेरी पसंदीदा डिशेस बनाती हैं। Mother makes my favorite dishes. Mother makes my favorite dishes. जितना संभव हो सके उतने चित्र एकत्रित करें और प्रदर्शित करें। Collect and display as many pictures as you can. Collect and display as many pictures as you can. दो पंक्तियों के बीच दूरी बनाए रखें. Keep distance between two lines. Keep distance between two lines. मेरी मेज पर रखी किताबें किसने बिगाड़ी? Who disturbed the books on my table? Who disturbed the books on my table? अपनी माँ को परेशान मत करो, उसे सोने दो. Don't disturb your mother, let her sleep. Don't disturb your mother, let her sleep. बंदर ने मक्खन को दो भागों में बांट दिया. The monkey divided the butter in two parts. The monkey divided the butter in two parts. मैं B division में हूँ. I am in B division. I am in B division. हमने आज भाग करना सीखा. We learned division today. We learned division today. आप क्या कर रहे हैं? What are you doing? What are you doing? मैंने मेरा होमवर्क किया है. I have done my homework. I have done my homework. आप सोने कब जाते हो? When do you go to bed? When do you go to bed? उसने मेरी किताब कहाँ रखी? Where did he put my book? Where did he put my book? मुझे नहीं पता. I do not know. I do not know. मैंने उसे धक्का नहीं दिया. I did not push her. I did not push her. वह वहाँ गया था. He did go there. He did go there. वह उनके साथ नहीं खेलता लेकिन मैं खेलता हूँ. He doesn't play with them but I do. He doesn't play with them but I do. यदि आप बीमार हो तो आपको डॉक्टर के पास जाना चाहिए. You should go to a doctor if you are ill. You should go to a doctor if you are ill. कुत्ता बहुत बहादुर था. The dog was very brave. The dog was very brave. छोटी लड़की के पास एक बहुत सुंदर गुड़िया थी. The little girl had a very nice doll. The little girl had a very nice doll. गधे के कान लंबे होते हैं. A donkey has long ears. A donkey has long ears. दरवाजा खोलें. Open the door. Open the door. डॉक्टर ने मुझे हर दिन इस दवा की 3 खुराक लेने को कहा. The doctor asked me to take 3 doses of this medicine every day. The doctor asked me to take 3 doses of this medicine every day. मेरी शर्ट पर नीले बिंदु हैं. There are blue dots on my shirt. There are blue dots on my shirt. ऐसे शब्द खोजें जिनमें डबल डी हो. Find words that have double D. Find words that have double D. वह आपसे दोगुनी ताकतवर है. She is double as strong as you. She is double as strong as you. वह गली के नीचे रहता है. He lives down the lane. He lives down the lane. एक बैल छाया में ऊँघ रहा था. A bull was dozing in the shade. A bull was dozing in the shade. उसने एक शेर बनाया. He drew a lion. He drew a lion. आपने बहुत बढ़िया चित्र बनाया है. You have made a wonderful drawing. You have made a wonderful drawing. हाथी अपनी सूंड में पानी खींचता है. The elephant draws up water in its trunk. The elephant draws up water in its trunk. मैंने सपने में बहुत सारे खरगोश देखे. I saw many rabbits in a dream. I saw many rabbits in a dream. उसने गुड़िया के लिए गुलाबी पोशाक बनाई. She made a pink dress for the doll. She made a pink dress for the doll. माँ ने मेरी छोटी बहन को कपड़े पहनाए. Mother dressed my baby sister. Mother dressed my baby sister. उसने संतरे का जूस पिया. She drank orange juice. She drank orange juice. मेरी चाची कार चलाना सीख रही हैं. My aunt is learning to drive a car. My aunt is learning to drive a car. उसने बैलों को खेत में घुमाया. He drove the bullocks through the field. He drove the bullocks through the field. बस ड्राइवर मेरे पिता का दोस्त है. The bus driver is my father's friend. The bus driver is my father's friend. गेंद गिराओ. Drop the ball. Drop the ball. नींबू के रस की कुछ बूंदे डालें. Put a few drops of lemon juice. Put a few drops of lemon juice. आप ड्रम को अपने हाथों से या डंडियों से बजा सकते हैं. You can play the drum with your hands or with sticks. You can play the drum with your hands or with sticks. क्या तौलिया सूखा है? Is the towel dry? Is the towel dry? वह धूप में अपने बाल सुखा रही थी. She was drying her hair in the sun. She was drying her hair in the sun. तालाब में बहुत सारी बत्तखें थीं. There were many ducks in the pond. There were many ducks in the pond. यह एक नीरस कहानी है. That is a dull story. That is a dull story. राजा का सेवक गूंगा तो था लेकिन बहरा नहीं था. The king's servant was dumb but not deaf. The king's servant was dumb but not deaf. वह प्रार्थना के दौरान स्थिर नहीं बैठती. She doesn't sit still during the prayer. She doesn't sit still during the prayer. उस कमरे में बहुत धूल है. There is a lot of dust in that room. There is a lot of dust in that room. वे हर दिन सभी मेजों और कुर्सियों की धूल साफ करते हैं. They dust all the tables and chairs every day. They dust all the tables and chairs every day. कोने में एक कूड़ेदान है. There's a dustbin in the corner. There's a dustbin in the corner. डस्टर को मेज पर रखें. Put the duster on the table. Put the duster on the table.